Hi, it's Rebecca, and I'm glad you're here. This Yoga Nidra practice is designed to increase focus and includes a 31-point body scan, and it is derived from the Himalayan yoga tradition. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and take some time to settle into your Yoga Nidra nest. Laying down and supporting the body with props to create a sense of ease, warmth, and comfort in the physical body. And what could you do to become even slightly more comfortable? Perhaps making some final adjustments in the neck and shoulders, or the hips and legs. The hands are resting where it feels most natural and comfortable. Gently closing the eyes if you haven't already. Turning from the outward to the inward. And for the remaining of this practice, the body gets to stay in stillness. However, if you feel like you need to make some adjustments during the practice, please listen to your body's needs. And when you're ready, let's take a few deep breaths together. Take a deep inhale through the nose, expanding the lungs. And exhale through your mouth. Again, inhaling nice and slow. Exhale, relax and soften. One last round together. A nourishing deep inhale with an option to hold at the top. And when you're ready to release, a grounding exhale. And take a moment to feel how gravity naturally makes the body sink into the support beneath. And notice how the support is holding you. You are held, and there is nothing left for you to hold. And take a moment to connect to your heart space. Noticing the aliveness and energy in the heart center. And from this place, begin to welcome your Sankalpa. Or you might like to connect to the following. I rest in clear and steady presence. Repeating your chosen Sankalpa 3 times within your mind. Now I'll guide you through a body scan. as you follow the sound of my voice, gently bring your awareness to each part of your body that I name. Allow your attention to settle there. And could you imagine a small star of laser-sharp focus lights up in each body part you meet? And as your awareness moves from point to point, the body remains in complete stillness. Beginning with the mind's eye. The base of the throat. Right shoulder. Elbow. Wrist. Thumb. First finger. Second finger. Third finger. And little finger. Wrist. Elbow. Shoulder. Base of the throat. Left shoulder. Elbow. Wrist. Thumb. First finger. Second finger. Third finger. Little finger. Wrist. Elbow. Shoulder. Base of the throat. Center of the chest. Right side of the chest. Left side of the chest. Base of the throat. Mind's eye. And let all of the energy gather in the center of your forehead into the mind's eye. Condensing all energy to one powerful laser focus light. Bright and dense. And giving time for this powerful laser-focused light to travel downwards to the heart space. Gathering all energy into the heart, a powerful, bright light. A center of bright light in the heart space. Basking in the spaciousness and lightness of the heart for the next few moments. Begin to reconnect to your Sankalpa once again. Feeling it as being alive and true in your whole being. You can stay laying here exactly as you are and begin to notice how the body is breathing itself. Sensing the gentle rise and fall of the belly or chest. As we begin to return to a state of wakefulness, become aware again of the shape of your body. Feeling the touch points between your body and the support beneath. Perhaps you can sense the temperature or fabrics on your skin. Becoming aware again of the space that you're in. Listening to the sounds, smelling the aromas. And gently start to deepen the breath again. Take a slow, nourishing inhale through the nose. And the releasing exhale through the mouth. Two more like that. Begin to welcome movement back into the body by wiggling the fingers and toes, rotating the ankles and wrists, and perhaps you'd like to bring the knees into the chest or take a full body stretch. If you like, you could roll over to one side. And take a moment to notice how you feel. Which feeling tones are present for you right now? And when you're ready, you can flutter the eyes open, taking in your surroundings nice and slow. And there is no rush. Awakening back to the outer world again. Thank you sincerely for allowing me to guide you through this practice. You might like to take some time to reflect as to what came up for you. And if you feel like it, I'd love to hear what you appreciated about this practice and how it served you in the comments below. My name is Rebecca, and I'm a yoga guide, sound practitioner, and vocalist. I share Yoga Nidra and sound-based practices to support rest, regulation, and coming home to yourself. If this practice resonated with you, you're welcome to subscribe or reach out. I truly appreciate connecting with the people who journey with me. Be your wonderful true self, and I hope to practice with you again soon. Namaste.